Hello. S-shaped titration cord is found in redox titration, condoctometric titration, potentiometric titration, none of the above. Correct option is option C, potentiometric titration. An S-shaped titration cord is typically observed in potentiometric titration, where the potential of the solution is measured as the function of the voltage of titrant added. The cord shows a gradual change followed by a sharp jump near the equivalence point, forming an S shape. Redox titration involves electron transfer but does not always produce a S-shaped potential cord. In case of conductometric titration, measures conductivity, not potential, and typically produce V-shaped or linear graph, not S-shaped. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye bye.